Welcome to Kids Lab. Today we are going to do a pressure fountain experiment. The materials are a bottle, a straw, a bowl, a balloon blower and some colored water. So let's start. First, make a hole like this and then put the straw now pour the colored water Now we will blow the balloon. Dun, dun, dun. Now we will put the balloon on the bottle's mouth. Now let's see the magic. Wow! A water fountain! Wow! Did you see the magic? This is because the air from the balloon increases the pressure inside the bottle and pushes the water up. So water comes out from the straw. Thank you. See you next time. Hey friends, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it and press the bell icon.